Check this out. Got the camp next to another river, so I'm gonna set up or get ready to take everything down, and we're heading to Moab today. This is day 3. Stayed at the Sultan-Anvil Campground in Silverton, Colorado. Really cool campground. Good morning, everyone. We're at just outside of Silverton, Colorado, at the Sultan-Anvil Campground, and the views here are just absolutely amazing. We've got another good day of riding ahead of us. Haven't really talked to the camera much just because of that. We've been spending majority of the time just going. We've been spending 12 plus hours on the bikes a day. This is day 3 of our Colorado trip, and I believe it's 10 days. It took us 2 days to drive out here from Michigan, so obviously some of you can do that 18 hours of driving in one sitting, but not me. So I stopped halfway along the way, went to my friend Doug and Sabah's house, and got to spend the night there, a couple nights, just to kind of realize that I'm on vacation. But this is just unreal. The views here, the camera probably doesn't do it any justice. Yeah, I haven't really talked to the camera much just because of that. So today our goal is to get to Moab, Utah, and then we're gonna go to Arches National Park. I'm really excited about that. I haven't been this far west before, so didn't really expect the low humidity to be bothering me. I'm near Lake Michigan, so I grew up around that and have been used to about 50% humidity or more my whole life, and we're at like 25% humidity. Definitely didn't plan for that as much. My lips dry out really quick, my eyes are drying out really quick, and then obviously that many hours on the bike and that many miles putting down, your eyes are kind of getting dried out everywhere you go. So there's definitely different challenges that I didn't expect. Elevation, we hit almost 13,000 feet yesterday on the Cinnamon Pass and then the Silverton Pass. Some of the most impeccable views you could possibly imagine. Definitely some of the coolest riding I've done. A lot of rocky, a lot of jarring, trying to pick the correct line so you don't die. But that was, the elevation didn't really bother me as much as I thought it would. I was actually really worried about the elevation bothering me for elevation sickness, but other than like not having the same amount of like catch your breath or anything, it's not terrible. Even some demanding riding conditions. So I trained for it. I spent enough time on the treadmill and deal with cardio enough that I was hoping that would help me, and I feel like it did. It's hard to say, but we've seen some serious wildlife while we were out here. Being from Michigan, I don't see mule deer, and we've seen a ton of mule deer on the way out here, we saw a lot of pronghorn coming across Kansas. So to me, it's just like makes me realize how vast the United States really is. And I've been so stuck in the little corner of Michigan that I'm in that I haven't seen like this kind of stuff. So yeah, I just got packed up this morning, and the rest of the group is just getting up for the day. Everybody's pretty worn out, pretty tired. We haven't seen a gas station open, grocery stores open. Every time we roll into a certain town, everything's closed. Everything closes at like 6:30 around here for some reason. So of course we rolled in about 8 o'clock last night, and luckily there was a little bar or a little brewery called Golden Block Brewery in Silverton, Colorado. They were about to close in 10 minutes and they still let us come in. So they let us come in, they fed us. We had a beer there. It was great. I would recommend that to anybody. So if you stop through Silverton, make sure to hit up Golden Block Brewery. Waitstaff was obviously trying to close up for the night. Felt bad doing it, but she even said, nobody is open right now. So, we felt bad, which they shouldn't feel bad for us. We're the ones that showed up late, but super thankful that they did, because we were needing a good meal, and cold drink never hurt anybody. So we're like I said, we're gonna get packed up and head to Moab, Utah today. So day 3 of our Colorado adventure is this squirrel's really mad at me. Day 3 of our Colorado adventure is just about to begin, so stick with us, stay tuned. Hopefully I can share as much as I want to as far as what I'm showing on the camera while riding, but I'm having some troubles keeping all my GoPro batteries charged. My auxiliary power supply for my bike failed due to all the vibration and whatnot, so that's definitely a new challenge for me too, so we'll have to get that taken care of at some point. But otherwise I can try to utilize restaurants plugins and whatnot, so I just got to be smarter about that. But like I said, stick with us, stay tuned. This is awesome. Can't wait to show everybody this. Looking forward to the editing part, so see you guys.
Thank you.